Add oil on brinjal. Rub oil on brinjal. Take brinjal on low flame. Cook till tender. Peel off and mash it. 2 chopped onion. 2-3 chopped chilli. Put coriander leaves. Mashed potato. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons Sibu veg cutlet masala. 1 teaspoon red chilli. 1 teaspoon jeera. 2 tablespoons Sibu chaat masala. Add soya powder. Mix it well. Make a mixture. Make a round shape. Put oil in a pan. Shallow fry the cutlet. Sibu cooking tips. How long does it take to roast eggplant on stove? Place eggplant directly on top of the gas range grate. On my gas stove, I usually turn the flame to medium. Allow eggplant to roast over the flame for 20 to 30 minutes, giving it a quarter every 5 minutes as it cooks. The larger the eggplant, the longer it will take to roast. Help us to serve you better.